Okay, today we're talking about the MS500 chainsaw. It's brand new, just came out, 100% made in Germany. This one has a 36-inch bar. Totally 100% fuel injected. That means no choke. You can see here, it's just a primer bulb, and this is to stop it. No choke whatsoever. There you have your decompression valve. That's to let the compression of the cylinder out. You have the cover with the no fallout nuts. This one has 79.2 cc's and 6 horsepower, and it only weighs 14.8 pounds. So that's the best power to weight ratio in the chainsaw business. This thing just lights up in your hands. You know, a lot of interest from firefighting in the area. We're in Santa Rosa, California, which is basically the heart of wildfire country. Tons of forest fires every year. This is my chainsaw store here. My name's Dan Krakowski. We do only Honda and Stihl power equipment. I can show you around. This is where all the blowers are here. All the gas tanks here. Safety equipment. We have all the latest models, 461s, 462s. More safety equipment. This is our chainsaw racks. We try to keep at least one of every model in stock, especially the 462s. Right now there's a little bit of a chainsaw shortage, so we have none of the mid-level ones like the 291s, 311s, 391s, 362s, but we will be getting those back in stock. Have all our arborist saws up here, all the files. We have a lot of the battery equipment. This is the new battery chainsaw, MSA 220 with a 16-inch bar. I've got our files. This is all of our string trimmer equipment here. Weed whackers here. This is all the service. We've got a complete service center back here. Just bringing in some more equipment. We're getting more MS500s right here. Hey, how's it going today?
Good.
So make sure you come and see us here at Action Sports and Power Equipment. This is Maggie the dog. We're located right here. It's a full 1720 Piner Road in the heart of Santa Rosa, wine country. It's a beautiful day today. So we're at 1720 Piner Road. Visit us at aspowerequipment.com or give us a call at 707-528-8875. That's a textable number, so you can text us any questions or any question. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.